Hey there, viewers! Trying to lose weight and get fit? Whatever the reason, cardio exercises are a great way to get in shape. These will help you burn calories and shed those pounds. But during the pandemic, are there any exercises you can do from the comfort of your home? In today's video, we'll be talking about cardio exercises you can do at home. Jumping jacks are a great way to start. But what about dancing activities like Zumba? What are burpees? How do you do squat jumps? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Number 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a great way to help with your cardio. They increase your blood circulation and at the same time control your blood pressure. Doing jumping jacks can also get rid of bad cholesterol in your body and reduce the chances of a stroke or even a heart attack. With jumping jacks, you would be jumping and landing with your legs spread wide. At the same time, your hands will go above your head and come together for a clap. Then you would jump back into your starting position. If you do jumping jacks for just 10 continuous minutes, you'll be able to burn as many as 100 calories. Jumping jacks are easy to add to your regular exercise routine. Another advantage is that they don't require any equipment. This means you can do them anytime, anywhere. Number 2. Dancing. Dancing is not just something you do at parties when you're having fun. It can also be a great way to get your cardio going. Dancing works as a whole body exercise. It not only helps your heart, but can also help your balance and coordination. If you dance for just 30 minutes, you can burn anywhere between 130 to 250 calories. This is equal to the amount of calories you burn while jogging. The only difference is that dancing can be a lot more fun than jogging. There is no specific dance you would have to do. All forms of dancing can give you the cardio you need. Just getting onto the floor and busting a move will boost your heart rate. Number 3. Burpees. Burpees may not be the most popular cardio exercise, but it can certainly help boost your heart rate and burn a lot of calories. In fact, 10 minutes of burpees can help you burn over 100 calories. A session of 20 minutes can get rid of 250 calories. This particular workout is a calisthenics exercise, which essentially means your body weight will be used as resistance. Burpees can help you build muscle strength. The workout can also be used to help build endurance in both the lower and upper parts of your body. A burpee has 4 steps. You start in the squatting position while keeping your hands placed on the ground. Push your feet backwards so that you are essentially in an extended plank position. Your arms need to remain extended. Get back to the squatting position and then stand up. You can do this for 10 minutes at a time, although it would be best if you started this exercise slowly and then moved towards the 10-minute mark. This way you can avoid injuring yourself. Number 4. Squat jumps. Squat jumps are another workout that can help with your cardio. They can improve the strength of both your upper and lower body. Additionally, squat jumps burn more calories than regular squats. A squat jump is also a full-body exercise which works on your legs and core. The squatting part of the workout helps build your calf muscles and quadriceps. The jump part of the routine is what boosts your heart rate. It can have a high impact on your knees, so you need to be careful when you start the routine as a beginner. You should also avoid doing jump squats if you're suffering from a knee injury. Before we continue, here's another video you might like. Not only does it help with your muscles, exercising can balance your hormones as well. But don't worry, there are other ways to do so. Watch and learn more about 9 natural ways to boost your hormones. Now back to our list of cardio exercises you can do at home. Number 5. Running up the stairs. Something as simple as a flight of stairs can be used for a good cardio workout. When you run up the stairs, you're able to gain strength and power in the lower part of your body. The workout also helps get your heart rate going. You can also give yourself a challenge while doing this workout. You can run straight up the stairs for 1 round and then alternate with a sideways stair run. This way you won't get bored with your routine. However, it should be noted that this particular routine is not a substitute for the long run. If you're looking to get the benefits of a long run, then this is not the exercise for you. This can instead be done when you have just a few minutes time and don't want to miss out on your cardio. Number 6. Jump rope. A good jump rope routine is a great cardio exercise and is especially good for athletes to mix in with their cross training. It's an exercise that can be done anywhere, as long as you have a decent jump rope on you. Doing 20 minutes of jump rope will burn as many as 220 calories. Doing even 10 minutes of this workout is equal to running an 8-minute mile. However, if you're starting out as a beginner for this routine, it would be best to start slow and then build up to 20 continuous minutes. Jump rope can also help improve your bone density. This is because the landing is easier on your feet. This is better for your bones than running, as the impact of your landing will always be absorbed by both legs instead of just one. Number 7. Kickboxing. Kickboxing is usually seen as a professional sport for athletes to compete in. However, this popular sport can also be used to burn calories and help your cardio. In fact, kickboxing could be the best workout session to get cardio at home. Kickboxing gives you numerous benefits. It can help strengthen and tone your arms, legs, back, core, and your glutes all at the same time. Also, since you would be moving a lot throughout the routine, you end up spending a lot more calories. The calorie burn is mostly fat loss and does not cause you to lose any muscle. Not only does 10 minutes of kickboxing help you burn as much as 100 calories, it can also work to reduce stress, along with any pent-up aggression you may be dealing with. Number 8. Jogging while standing in one place. In the gym, you'd probably head straight to the treadmill to start your cardio session, but not everyone has a treadmill at home. What you need to do is start jogging in one place. It requires no equipment and has the same benefits. Now keep in mind, just jogging in one place may end up being quite boring. To help with that, you can include jogging in place along with your other workout routines. So you can mix up all these workouts we've listed for about 30 minutes or so, and then jog in place while you take a breather. While jogging in place, you're consistently moving your muscles, which can help improve their strength and stability. Also, you can develop a strong core in both the upper and lower body. Along with boosting your heart rate, jogging in one place can help strengthen your ab muscles. Number 9. Straight leg stand. A straight leg stand also works on your abdominal muscles. To perform this exercise, you first need to start with the feet together or no more than 3 inches apart. Then bend the knees slightly and lift one leg 3 to 6 inches off the floor. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds and return the foot to the floor. Now repeat with the opposite leg. To increase difficulty, a person can lift their leg higher off the floor or jump from one leg to the other. Cardio exercises are a great way to stay fit, but what about all the other workouts you can do? There are so many different exercises that can get you in shape quickly. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more fitness-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Watch 9 easy at-home workouts that will tone and shape your body. You can also try easy at-home ab workouts for women that actually work. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about health and fitness. Do you already do any of these cardio exercises? Let us know in the comments below.